السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله كفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولا تهنوا ولا تحزنوا وأنتم الأعلون إن كنتم مؤمنين. Respected President, audience, brothers, my teachers and Allah the Creator. Surah As-Saffat, ayat number 96, Allah says, Wallahu khalaqakum wa ma ta'malun. Well, Allah has created you and what you make. Allah is our creator. He has created us. He has made the earth and the sky. He has made all things on the earth. He has made the animals and plants. He has made the mountains and oceans. He has decorated the sky with the sun, the moon and the stars. He has decorated the earth with plants and flowers. Allah